Welcome to my video. I'm gonna make Elsa. I'm gonna show you how to make Elsa into a snow queen.
What are you going to use?
Play-Doh. Mummy, get the Play-Doh. Get a big bit and then press it on her. And let's put the decorations on. Mummy, put some sparkles on here. Now, what else have I got in here to decorate Elsa's dress? I think a flower. Some of these. Now, let's put them on as dress. And now let's see what I else got. This looks kind of glittery, so I'm going to get some of these. Tiara. And now we're gonna see if there's some more things that I could do. I might do a little showing. So it's so beautiful, and his head can move, his arms can move, and even his feet can move. Glittery stuff like these gems, and these are even glittery because we got some of these on Elsa's gloves, but we kind of gonna put one on her tiara. That one looks so beautiful on his tiara, and now let's do another one on his back. On the back of it, and now let's do some of these on his dress. Some people got these, and why they do stick on Play-Doh. And I like the way how they shine, because when they shine, they have some different colours on. So I like the ears. I might put one on his dress. So I might want some on the back. We put stickers on piece of papers too. We could put these gems on wherever we want. Next video. See you on the next video.